If you want to know about light direction, this video is for you. Now, as a wedding photographer who will be taking a lot of bridal portraits and groom portraits, even the couple's portraits, you have to understand light direction. What is light direction? Light direction is all about the direction of the light to your subject. As a wedding photographer, you must understand your light direction. And basically in photography, we have three light directions that is so obvious to the eyes. Number one is the front light, that is light coming from the front. Number two is the side light, that's light coming from the side. And number three is the back light. If you look at every project picture online, you realize one thing, you will see the light direction. And that way, to make you know when to use which and how at the perfect time to create amazing portraits. Yes, light direction is very, very important in photography. You have to understand how to direct your light. Let me show you how that looks like. And I'll be comparing it with my pictures so you can understand how it affects the bridal portrait or the couple's portrait. Even the groom's portrait also, yes. I have taken away the video light in this scene. And I'm using just one light. That is the light I use for my wedding portraits, which is the Swiss Photo P100 RGB. Right here, I have the light in front of me, and this is front light. Yes, light coming from the front is front light. Right now, this is side light because light coming from my side. If I turn my head this way, you can see how it looks like. So this is side light, yes. And you can see front light coming from the front, side light coming from the side. Right now, this is backlight. As you can see the light behind me, yes, backlight. And that means that the backlight can become the background light. Let me show you. If you turn the light to the background, it becomes the background light. Right here, I have the front light and I have the background light. As you can see, this will make my image look different. Yes, if you know how to direct your lights, you would have amazing portraits. Let me show you a few portraits that I have done, and you can guess if it's front light, side light, or even backlight. If you go online and look at your favorite photographers, you can actually tell the light direction they use to light up their subjects. Front light, back light, and side light. These are the basic directions you should know about in photography. And if you want to be a wedding photographer, you need to understand this basic direction of light. The front, the back, and the side. For any questions you have, kindly feel free to drop the questions below and I'll be glad to answer you as soon as possible.